Hey everyone, and welcome to Plasticine Magic YouTube channel. Today we're diving back into the world of dark games and sculpting the creepiest creatures from 99 Nights in the Forest. Grab your clay and let's get started. The Cultist with a Crossbow, or the Cultist. If the deer monster is raw, primal force, then the cultists are the cold, calculating intelligence. And among them, the most dangerous is the fanatic with a crossbow. He is the silent terror that lurks in the shadows. Unlike his brethren, he's dressed in a red cloak, a symbol of his deadly status. He makes no sound, no battle cries, no groans. The only thing you might hear is the whistle of a crossbow bolt flying into your back. This enemy is a strategist. He won't rush you head on. He'll wait for the perfect moment when you're busy fighting other enemies or gathering resources, take aim and deliver a devastating blow from a distance. His accuracy is nearly flawless, especially in the chaos of a fight. One of these cultists will make you constantly look over your shoulder, and 2 or 3 will turn any trip outside your camp into a deadly trap. They aren't just opponents, they are the keepers of the forest's dark secrets, servants of the deer, adding a touch of chilling human madness to the game. The aliens. Just when you think you've figured out the rules of this cursed forest, the mystique, the cults, the monsters, the game throws something completely insane at you. Aliens. This is an incredibly rare event that can happen in the early stages of the game and completely shatters the horror atmosphere. It all starts with UFOs appearing in the night sky. The ships flash their lights and then crash land in different parts of the map. One of them will open a portal to a mothership, and that's where the familiar horror gets replaced by sci-fi. Inside, classic green humanoids await for you. Individually, they aren't much of a threat, but they make up for it in numbers. Attacking as a swarm, they can quickly knock you off your feet and easily overwhelm an unprepared player. This event is a breath of fresh air, and at the same time, a strange dissonance. Instead of rituals and forest spirits, you get blasters, portals, and high-tech locks. If you get this lucky, don't miss your chance. It's a unique opportunity to get valuable resources and see a different, completely unexpected side of 99 Nights in the Forest. The deer monster, or the deer. Imagine the absolute darkness of the forest, where your only friend is the crackling of a dying campfire. That's the darkness where it comes from. The deer monster isn't just an enemy, it's a walking nightmare, and the game's main horror. You can't kill it, you can only escape it for a little while. During the day, it hides, gathering its strength. But when night falls, the hunt begins. This giant, towering over the trees with its unnaturally large head and empty, cartoonish eyes, moves on two legs like a terrifying parody of a human. But the moment it spots you, it drops to all fours and becomes a relentless killing machine. Its claws don't just scratch, they tear reality apart, leaving bloody scars on your screen and killing an unarmored player in a single hit. Your only salvation is light. It fears the flame of the campfire, flashlights, and torches. Bright light blinds and stuns it, forcing it to retreat back into the darkness. But remember, the fire needs fuel, and the night is long. This monster is a living reminder that in this forest, light is life. So, here's the creepy crew I ended up with today. Which of these characters scared you the most in the game? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments and let me know who I should sculpt next. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next dose of clay horror. See you soon.